pour yourself a drink. Now look up, because somewhere out there, floating between the stars, there is a cloud so big, so impossibly vast, that it makes every bottle of alcohol ever made on Earth look like a single drop. And it's not made of water, it's not made of dust, it's made of booze. So how does a cloud of alcohol end up drifting through outer space? Let's go out there, far past the planets, past the edge of our solar system, into the cold, dark gaps between the stars. Those gaps aren't actually empty. They're filled with enormous clouds of gas and dust, the leftover material from dead stars and the birthplace of new ones. Astronomers call them molecular clouds, and inside them, something strange is brewing. In the freezing cold and near total emptiness, atoms drift around with nothing to do. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and every now and then, on the surface of a tiny grain of cosmic dust, those atoms bump into each other and stick. They form molecules, and not just simple ones. In 1995, astronomers pointed their telescopes at a giant cloud near the center of our galaxy, in a region called Sagittarius B2, and what they found stunned them. The cloud was full of ethanol, the exact same alcohol that's in your glass right now. But not a little. We're talking about a quantity so massive the human brain can't really hold it. Scientists estimated enough alcohol to pour billions upon billions of pints, more than humanity could drink in the entire lifetime of the universe. So why isn't this front-page news? Here's the catch. That same cloud isn't pure. Floating right alongside the ethanol is a cocktail of other chemicals, and many of them are toxic. There's a compound in there that smells like rotten eggs, another that's basically embalming fluid, and one molecule the cloud is famous for, ethyl formate. Ethyl formate is what gives raspberries their flavor and rum its smell. So this cloud, deep in the heart of the galaxy, technically smells like rum and tastes faintly of raspberries while also being laced with poison. The universe mixed the strangest cocktail imaginable and then put it billions of miles out of reach. But think about why this matters. These clouds aren't just bizarre, they're the kitchens of the cosmos. The same chemistry that builds alcohol out there also builds the building blocks of life, sugars, acids, the early ingredients that may have rained down on a young Earth. The stuff in your glass and the stuff that made you may share the same recipe written in the dark between the stars. So, pour yourself a drink, look up. You're toasting a cloud that's been mixing the same drink for millions of years, and it started the party long before you did. Now, here's what I want to know. Wherever you are right now, whatever corner of this tiny blue planet you're listening from, drop it in the comments. Tell me your city, your country, and what time it is for you as you watch this. Let's see just how far across the world this little cosmic story traveled tonight. Because somewhere, someone is reading this exact sentence under a completely different sky. And if a cloud of alcohol floating in deep space made you look at the universe a little differently, hit subscribe and stick around. Next time, we're chasing something even stranger. Until then, keep looking up.